Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another update. This one is the dividends that I received in the month of April for my Wealthsimple TFSA Trade Portfolio. People always like to see the update, how the portfolio did. I did share an update over the weekend, so if you want to see how the whole portfolio is doing, spoiler alert, it's down if you've been following the market. But let's just get into showing what the dividends I received for the back in the month of April on my TFSA portfolio. All right, here we are in the Wealthsimple Trade app. We've drilled down into the settings into our dividends for the TFSA. You can go into the transaction summaries and you can actually select and filter by different transactions to see. So let's go back to the beginning of the month. Received a Telus dividend for $5.57. VFV, that's the Vanguard ETF, S&P ETF that we have, $6.48. BTC.Y, that's the Bitcoin yield ETF that we have, $1.50. A few people were asking what the dividends were going to be like with that one, so now we kind of know. $1.50 this month, which is okay. REI, that's the RioCan, a real estate trust, the REIT, $2.13. VDY, that is the Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF, $7.14. A nice one from VDY this month, which is great. I have to add more to that ETF, absolutely. SOT.UN, that's a Slate office REIT, is $3.03. And the last one we received at the end of the month, RNW, TransAlta Renewables, for $3.05, so a grand total of $28.90 dividends on the TFSA in April. Thanks for watching, everybody. Just a little update for what the dividends came through. Hopefully your portfolios are holding up okay. Hopefully you got some good dividends this month with whatever you are invested in. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you've made it this far, aren't subscribed, I'm sharing my investment journey, learning along as we go, trying to grow the portfolio up to $100,000. We're just started out last year, so it'd be great to have you follow along. If you aren't subscribed, go check down below. I always kind of say subscribing is free. It'd be great to have you join along. We've got a great community here. Make sure you're reading some of the comments from other channel subscribers. There's some great information down there as well. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll do another update on the portfolio later on this week, see how the market is doing. It's definitely a bit of a seesaw out there recently. So invest smartly, do your research. We'll catch you in the next video.